Alright, no bullshit. Worker Song by Dick Gaughan, or Gaughan, I don't know how to pronounce that. Tuning is DADGAD, capo on the 5th, or the 6th, or the 7th, whatever you're liking, and whatever if you're gonna sing it, your voice is gonna adjust to. Let's play the riff, because that took me a while to figure out. There's not really another cover on YouTube that has figured it out yet. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay, that was kind of slow. Now let me do it a little faster. Now, when I go faster, I use hammer-ons. But I think Dick, he actually picks it all, but that's, I don't know, that's kind of hard like this. But you can practice that. I've been practicing for like a week and a half. Still can't get the quickness, but start slow. Start slow. You can also add in the second part of the melody, so this. You can also try that. I guess you guys, if you're interested in playing this song, you probably already kind of know. I'm not gonna go through it all. You kind of already know how most of these songs work and how to learn them fast. See, I don't get it right still. Okay, now let's play it right. hearts and minds. We've often been told to keep up with the times. That's quite easy to get, I think. But all right, thanks.